Welcome to today's discussion in furtherance to the class discussion already on this task 1 of IELTS. We have already discussed this in the class. I am providing you the link to write your answer. So please have a look. You can pause the video wherever you want. It's a graph, it's a chart, it's a bar chart. This is the bar chart. You've already had a look at it, but I'm going to explain it to you that it's about 3 types of people who live in Canada: those born in Canada, new migrants from English-speaking countries, and new migrants from other countries. So what percentage of them go to cinema, to theatre, to library, to zoo? So we will notice that the maximum percentage visit the cinema. It's the most popular place. Only for the first two, and theatre is the least popular. If you do some rough work, there is a lot of data, thus the report only important comparisons. There is no date, no period, so write in simple present tense. It's about the percentage of people who visit 4 leisure time places. And the people are native Canadians, immigrants from non-English speaking countries, and immigrants from English speaking countries. I have written 70% of the Canadians visit the cinema, which is a higher percentage than the other two groups. 65% of the immigrants from English speaking countries and half of those from non-English speaking countries visited. It should be visited the cinema, not visited the cinema. So use this as a template, as an example to write the rest of the task 1 and send it to us. I have given you my suggestion of the opening. The given linear graph depicts, illustrates and compares, correlates information, data, statistics about the variation in the percentage of people from 3 distinct communities visiting 4 discrete places of leisure. The communities are native Canadians, immigrants from English-speaking countries, and immigrants from non-English-speaking countries. The 4 places are cinemas, theatre, library, and zoo. Overall, the cinema is the most visited place, theatre the least. You can develop the overall a bit. And have a look at the suggestion. You can pause wherever you want. But before you look at this suggestion, you should try writing it down your own. Please do comment, subscribe and share.